Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to turn off shuffle on Spotify for Android devices. Let's get started. If you are listening to your favorite playlist but want to enjoy the songs in their original order, turning off shuffle is super easy. Here's how you can do it. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up your Spotify app. Okay, so now you have to play any song from here. In earlier versions of Spotify, the hat option was located right here, but if you have the most recent version, you can see the shuffle option here. If you haven't updated, go to the Spotify app and update. If you tap shuffle here, it will turn green, indicating that it is turned on. And if you will tap it again, it will turn white, indicating that it is turned off. This is how to disable shuffle on Spotify. And that's it. You have successfully turned off shuffle. Now you can enjoy your playlist in the order you intended. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.